2018 Buick Regal GS shows up with 310 HP V6 and clever AWD. It was only a matter of time for Buick to reveal the new Regal GS, especially after Opel presented the world with the Insignia SI. The Buick Regal GS is powered by a new 3.6-litre V6 with 310 HP and 282 pounds-feet of torque, with the engine also featuring direct injection and cylinder deactivation. A 9-speed automatic transmission is standard, as well as an intelligent all-wheel drive system. This is also one of the first applications of the 9-speed automatic gearbox that's paired with AWD. Buick promises to offer the new transmission across 5 different models. The new Regal GS also comes with a set of second general adaptive dampers that are capable of making 500 adjustments per second. The exterior features aggressive front and rear fascias, standard 19-inch alloys, bigger Brembo brakes, a rear spoiler and the obligatory GS badging all around, while LED headlights are an optional feature. The cabin gets GS-specific performance seats that are also perforated and come with adjustable lumbar and thigh support. There is also a flat-bottom steering wheel, sports pedals and sill plates to let you know that this is the fastest of the range. An 8-inch infotainment system and an 8-inch display for the instrument cluster are standard features as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as well. With the all-new 2018 Regal GS, we set out to make a driver-focused, engaging and entertaining sports sedan without sacrificing the smooth ride and refined character expected of any modern Buick, said Martin Hayes, chief engineer for the GS. Our new V6 and 9-speed transmission, intelligent AWD and call work to deliver excellent driving performance. The 2018 Regal GS is priced from $39,990, including destination charges, with the regular Regal Sportback 2.0T models to start from $25,915, around $2,000 less than the outgoing model.